Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Komal. I'm trying my best to just improve your English grammar knowledge. So today I brought an important topic for you and that is phrases. So today we will discuss about the noun phrase, adjectival phrase, adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase and the verb phrase. Let us start. The first one is what is a phrase? A phrase is a grammatical term which consists of a group of words that does not include a subject and verb combination. In the kitchen, the lost puppy. So you can see that in this phrase there is no word combination. So what is a noun phrase? A noun phrase is a group of words that work together to name and describe a person, place, thing or idea. The cute baby. Here they are just telling about a baby. A name they are describing about a person. Functions of noun phrase. Noun phrase act as a subject. For example, the cute kitten is adopted. Here, the cute kitten is acting as a subject. Means that you know very well subject is actually the doer of an action or the person, place or thing talked about in a sentence. Here the cute kitten is the subject. Second function of the noun phrase, it acts as a direct object. She adopted the cute kitten. What she adopted? The cute kitten. So the cute kitten is the object and it is acting as a noun phrase. Noun phrase also act as indirect object. She gifted her sister a dress. What she gifted a dress, that is a direct object. To whom she gifted? To her little sister. So over here the little sister is acting as a noun phrase. Fine, and it is a direct object also. Noun phrase also act as a subject complement. Frida is my true friend. Now they are just giving a compliment about Frida, who is actually the subject in this sentence. Noun phrase also act as object complement. He called him an ugly boy. Here, an ugly boy is acting as an object complement. Object over here is him. So it over here, an ugly boy is acting as an object complement. Noun phrase also act as a prepositional object. She lives in a beautiful house. In is a preposition and object of in a beautiful house. A beautiful house over here is acting as a noun phrase. You can see the noun phrase is actually the phrase which consists of a name of any person, place, thing. Along with it, some quality is mentioned. An ugly boy, a beautiful house. You can just say, see the quality is mentioned along with the noun. Adjectival phrase. An adjectival phrase is an adjective and additional information linked to it that work together to describe a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Means an additional information which is provided with the noun or pronoun, that is actually the adjectival phrase. Keep one thing in mind, adjectival phrase act as an adjective. You know very well. Adjectives tells you about the quality, quantity of a noun or pronoun. So over here, adjectival phrase in a group of words tells you of the quality of a noun or pronoun. It may appear in the start, in the middle or in the end of the sentence. There we are talking about the adjectival phrase. Means adjectival phrase can exist in the middle, in the beginning or in the last of the sentence. For example, we are forecasting some extremely sunny days. They are just telling the qualities of the day. That is, some extremely sunny is an adjectival phrase. Boys covered with mud are not allowed to enter in class. Covered with mud is actually the adjectival phrase. They are just telling the quality of a boy. You can just see when the quality of a noun or pronoun is described in a group of words, we name that group of words the adjectival phrase. Adverbial phrase. An adverbial phrase is used as an used as an adverb to modify a verb, adjective, or another adverb. They describe when, where, how, why something happened. This is actually related to adverbial phase of time, adverbial phase of manner, adverbial phase of frequency, adverbial phase of degree. When we are just talking about when something happened, we are actually discussing adverbial phase of time. Where, we are discussing about adverbial phase of place. How, adverbial phase of manner. Why, adverbial phase of reason. For example, we will play in the ground. It is giving you the answer where, so it is acting as an adverbial phrase of place. We play in the morning. When, it means it is giving you the answer of adverbial phrase of time. We will play with great enthusiasm. It is actually giving the way, the manner, how you will play with great enthusiasm. So it is actually the adverbial phrase of manner. Now let us discuss the prepositional phrase. A phrase that begins with a preposition and ends in a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase is actually the prepositional phrase. For example, she is walking on the road. So you can just easily see that it is starting with the preposition that is on and ending with the noun, road. So if the phrase is consisted of beginning from the preposition and ends with a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase, then it is a prepositional phrase. Functions of prepositional phrase. Basically, preposition acts as an adjectival phrase and adverbial phrases. So first, let us discuss how they are acting as an adjectival phrase. When it modifies noun or pronoun, it acts as an adjectival phrase. Means when they are just describing the quality of a noun or pronoun, we call that prepositional phrase the adjectival phrase. For example, the gift inside the blue box is mine. Now they are just telling the quality or giving extra information about the gift, which is actually the noun. So we give this name inside a blue box the adjectival phrase. Although it is a prepositional phrase, it is starting with a preposition and ending with the noun, but over here it is acting as an adjectival phrase because it is giving you more information about the gift, which is a noun. The boy in the blue dress is my brother. In the blue dress, although it is a prepositional phrase, but in this sentence it is acting as an adjectival phrase. Why? Because it is giving you the information about the boy, which is acting as a noun in this sentence. Adverbial phrase or prepositional phrase also act as an adverbial phrase when it modifies adjectives, verbs, or other adverbs. The cat crept over the grass. Now over here it is just telling you the action, about the action. She is cooking in the kitchen. So where she is cooking in the kitchen means they are just telling the place. So it is telling us the place of an action. So it is actually the adverbial phrase of place. Verb phrase. It acts as a predicate of a sentence or clause. It consisted of a main verb plus any modal or auxiliary verb. It represents an idea but not the complete meaning. For example, we must have completed his work. Must have completed is actually the verb phrase. He will win this race. Will win is actually the verb phrase. Here, completed and win is the main verb, and helping an auxiliary verb we have used must have and will. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned